Introducing the newly developed DRV Indexable Magic Drill. The DRV provides improved rigidity and limits deflection with its optimal web thickness. With a reduced variation in hole diameter, the DRV maintains stable machining results even when performing deep hole drilling applications. A low cutting force design obtains excellent hole accuracy with reduced chattering. The 2D to 6D drilling lineup offers stable drilling at each depth. The DRV controls chip evacuation with a unique insert design. A U-shaped cutting edge is used for the outside insert along with a unique pattern to differentiate between outside and inside inserts. Reduces chip clogging with smooth evacuation of compact chips. The inside insert uses a spoon-shaped cutting edge. The DRV produces chips 47% smaller than that of competitor products. Efficient chip evacuation is achieved with less friction resistance. The outside cutting edge uses a CVD insert for higher efficiency machining. Compared to a conventional PVD insert, the DRV's outside cutting-edge CVD insert improved maximum cutting speed by 55%. Kyocera's new CVD coating for drilling maintains excellent abrasion resistance. The Economical 4-edge inserts support various machining applications using 4 different chip breaker designs. GM chip breaker for general purpose machining, Tough Edge GH chip breaker, SM chip breaker for stainless steel machining, and XM chip breaker for machining low carbon steels. Numerous customer tests of the SM chip breaker in stainless steel resulted in excellent chip control and prevented chips from remaining in the finished hole. Some customers were able to cut their cycle time in half. After testing the DRV, this customer was able to increase their cutting speed by 1.6 times and reduce cycle time by 40%. Expect great results when you switch to the DRV Magic Drill.